I suppose the most common one would be medical negligence, which covers things like where you have had a problem with an illness, a disease, a medical condition that you might have, and you've received substandard or negligent care for that or treatment for that. But then there are other things like cosmetic negligence, which is on the rise, I suppose, linked with the rise in the number of cosmetic procedures that take place every year. And that would be typically from a private doctor who has carried out a procedure but not carried it out to a reasonable standard. It may not even be a doctor. These kind of things are carried out in high street clinics that are not technically clinics, I suppose. If it goes wrong, there's potentially a claim there. Dentists can be brought into this kind of negligence. So if you've received dental treatment and it's not been carried out properly, and there is negligence, i.e. substandard care that's not what you would expect from a reasonably competent dentist, you could make a claim there potentially. And then even things like birth injury issues, so that would be related to obviously pregnancy and birth, where there's a problem potentially with the baby or the mother or both. Those kind of situations are risky anyway, and some of these things happen without there being any negligence at all, they just happen. But if there's been negligent care and those kind of things happen, then there's potentially a claim there. And another area where we're seeing more and more claims arising is women's health. Right. So things to do perhaps related to gynaecological issues, maybe to certain types of cancer that are peculiar to women, various other things that obviously relate to women's issues, fertility, that kind of thing.